Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best professional drones with high quality camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best professional drone with camera money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 5th product on my list, Vimillo S167 RC GPS Drone with camera. The Vimillo S167 and SG701 SRC GPS drone with 5G FPV dual HD camera. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. HD adjustable camera, 4K Wi-Fi high definition camera, adjustable lens angle, 120 degrees. Integrated camera and body design, can adjust the shooting angle up and down, easy to take high-resolution photos and videos. GPS Smart Follow, after the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. GPS Smart Follow, after the aircraft is linked to GPS, open the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Multi-point flight planning, the aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route. The flight parameters of the waypoint can be modified in the setting interface. Image following, 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and perform automatic follow-up flight. Multi-point planning flight of the route, the aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route, and the player concentrates on shooting. Spot surround, find the center point around and move the desired surround radius with the joystick. Camera lens, 120 degrees. Adjustable angle camera, 90 degrees. Flight time, about 15 minutes. Control distance, about 100 meters. Wi-Fi transmission distance, 80 meters. 4th product on my list, CEVENNESFE F10 4K Professional GPS Drones. The CEVENNESFE F10 4K GPS drone with 5G Wi-Fi FPV camera provides a simpler operation and master this drone easily. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G 2.4G Wi-Fi function, can be connected to APK system to take pictures and videos, transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 300 meters. 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draws a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Flying time is up to 25 minutes. 3rd product on my list, Vimillo S167 Pro GPS Drone. The Vimillo S167 Pro 4K Professional Dual HD Camera Drone. 4K Pixel 75 degree adjustment, adjustable Super 4K camera design brings you better aerial photography effect, improved camera image quality. Dual camera, remote electric adjustment, wider field of vision. GPS flagship chip performance plus 150%. With GPS call, the positioning accuracy is greatly improved, and it is full at one-time flagship experience, more HD camera, aerial photography without delay. Brushless motor, equipped with high-efficient brushless motor, the power is stronger and retracts freely. Strode power, stepless speed change, bass noise reduction, 2-time service life. GPS satellite positioning, low power return, over-range return, runaway return, one-click return. GPS plus optical flow positioning. The optical flow positioning system is enabled indoors, and the images captured by the bottom camera pass through the system lock for precise hover. Enable the GPS system outdoors and obtain the satellite through the GPS chip signal. Track the UAV flight position at all times, and fly more safely and safely. Novel functions. A variety of aerial photography modes are blessed, which is convenient and fast, making you feel great as seconds. Image following. Auto follow. Your lazy man follows the clapper artifact. Pointing route flight. Fly where you mean. Circling flight. 360-degree surround flight shooting. Speed switching. Adjust according to the environment. 20-minute long endurance. 7.4 volts 1300 milliamperes lithium battery. Second product on my list, MKTOYS MK-SG108 GPS Drone with 4K HD wide-angle camera. MKTOYS MK-SG108 Professional GPS Drone Quadricopter with 4K HD wide-angle camera. MKTOYS MK-SG108 is extremely user-friendly that comes with one key start landing, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment functions, adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. This drone provides smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 120 meters. You can capture and record 1080p HD aerial footage, and share it instantly on social media through DeerCat. MK-SG108 drone can be folded up into a compact and portable shape, fit easily into a backpack, perfect to take it traveling. Max flying time support up 20 to 25 minutes. High-speed powerful motor, brushless power, good wind resistance. Advanced features. Waypoints flying is the newest technology that by drawing a flight course on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. Show your palm or V sign to the front camera, MK-SG108 will automatically take a photo or video. Intelligent control. You can control the drone through the built-in G sensor, adjusting the vertical and horizontal on smartphone without a remote controller. Or control your drone with simple voice commands like take off, landing, left, right, forward, backward. First product on my list, GRAYCEWODY KF102 4K Professional GPS Drone. The GRAYCEWODY KF102 new GPS drone with 4K Professional 8K HD camera. Mechanically stabilized head 8K HD camera. 8K 120 degrees wide-angle professional aerial photography experience. 8K pixels high-definition pixels bring exquisite and rich image quality, making your aerial creation more free and easy to shoot movie-level pictures. The drone uses a CMOS sensor, which can take 6K movie-level pixel photos, fully retaining the creation details, and the texture is close to blockbuster movies. Played without hindrance, unimaginable flying experience, have a different beauty in your hands. About 1,200 meters remote control and about 25 minutes long battery life. Long distance high definition image transmission. 7.4 volt 2200 milliamperes large capacity modular battery, long battery life and easy replacement. Take a stunning and wonderful movie with a 360-degree surround flight shooting angle of view. In the GPS positioning mode, control the drone to fly at a distance of 5 to 30 meters from the operator, and turn on the app follow function. The drone can automatically follow the operator's movement and take pictures. Route planning flight. The app map accurately points, and you can fly where you want to fly,